The UK's urban roads are controlled by traffic lights, and some people haven't quite worked out how they work. Watch this guy behind weaving in and out of traffic. A lot of people don't understand that the traffic's controlled by a central hub, and it sort of allows traffic to move around the city in pulses. So even if you do zoom off, you're more than likely just going to be stopped at the following set of lights for even longer. It seems pointless.
Drive it like it's a Ferrari, mate. Citroen C1, Performante. Amazing.
However poor this guy's driving is, and you can see him tailgating the van now, it won't get him much further.
And what people don't get is that driving like that, anyway, just gets you to the next set of lights quicker. Virtually guaranteed, a little bit further up the road, I'm staying to the speed limit. We'll be near him. Which is pointless. People don't understand how the roads work nowadays. So, what did I say? Next set of lights. All you do is just arrive there sooner. You can wait for longer. That guy is literally the car in front after driving like complete arse. It's not worth it. So he's done exactly the same again, this set of lights. Tear our stuff to literally just stop at the next set for even longer. It's not worth it, peeps. Won't get you there any quicker most of the time. Occasionally it will. Occasionally you'll get through one set of lights. 1 in 10 maybe. I'm saying it hasn't got that possibility, but honestly, most of the time it just doesn't. You just end up sitting there for longer. What's the point? There he goes again. It does make me laugh.